working with a coach is, number one, a great also opportunity for self-awareness, because you sort of bounce things off somebody and it's like they put the mirror over here and you get a different angle looking at your life, right? What I'm sharing with you here, and you all have a copy in your notes, is what I call, instead of time management, I tried to make it a little more sexy and call it lifetime management, and make it a little more profound. Like, let's talk big picture, not just about this morning, let's talk about our lives. And in life coaching, the wheel of life is what this is based on, which is just a way to look at different areas of life. And I've chosen 6, which through working with clients over the years and self-reflection, I've found are the most profound and meaningful areas. I want you to think about your life and the 6 different areas. So if we start with purpose, for example, that's your work or your volunteering, how you're contributing your skills to be in service of others. And what I want you to do is think about how satisfied you are with that area of life and give it a score between 0 and 10. This is only based on your idea. There's no other measure here than your feeling of what satisfied looks like. And you're going to do it for each area. So purpose, which I've explained, health, which is mental, physical, spiritual, emotional wellness. We have lifestyle, which is how you're living. Are you living up in the mountains in a cabin? Or are you living with a water view or a houseboat? Are you traveling the way you want? What, in the manner in which you're living, how satisfied are you with that? Your relationships, the quality of your family, colleagues, client relationships. Rate that and see if that's something that is giving you the satisfaction you want. Development, the learning, the fact that you've all invested in this conference to be here and learn is huge. And it's one of the things in life which I think continues to help us grow and be better people. And play. Play comes up as something people have forgotten to do. It's such a part of creativity. It's such a part of entering joy and a timelessness and a reprieve from task. So I want you to rate each area, and what we're looking for in this, you connect the dots in the circle, and we're looking for a fullness, right? You're looking for a big full circle. And what this is a self-awareness tool, which I recommend to my clients to use quarterly, just as a way to take a snapshot of where am I now in my life? And where do I want to give attention? So this is all about intention. And then when we get to the priming for performance, that's about how do you bring your attention to your intention.